Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate the following mixed numbers. In the first example, I have 4 5 over 6 plus 2 3 over 5. To solve, I'm going to first of all change to improper fraction. Improper fraction is when you have the numerator greater than the denominator. To change a mixed number to improper fraction, going counterclockwise, I'm going to multiply and add. So I have that as add. I'm going to do the same. First of all, multiply my whole number and my denominator, whatever I get, I'm going to add to my numerator. So what that gives me is I have 4 times 6 plus 5 divided by, I maintain my denominator, that's 6, plus I have 2 times 5, plus my numerator, that's 3, divided by my denominator, that's 5. Applying BODMAS, 4 times 6, 24, 24 plus 5, that will be 29 over 6, plus 2 times 5, that's 10, 10 plus 3, 13 over 5. So the first check is the denominator are not the same. To make them the same, I'm going to find my lowest common denominator, or my LCD. In this case, the LCD for 6 and 5, that will be 30. So how do I get to 30? From 6, I'll be multiplying by 5, and whatever you do at the bottom, you do at the top. On my right hand side, to get to my LCD, I'm going to multiply by 6. Remember, whatever you do at the top, you also do at the bottom. My new expression becomes 29 times 5, 145 divided by 30, plus 13 times 6, 78 divided by 5 times 6, 30. You can see that now my denominators are the same. So therefore, adding my fractions when the denominator are the same, I put them under the same denominator, that's 30. 145 plus 78 at the top, and what that will give me is 223 divided by 30, and changing that back to mixed numbers, you have 7 groups of 30 with a remainder of 13 out of 30. If you need to know how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number, you can check in the comment section below. The next example, I have 4 2 over 5 minus 1 2 over 3. Using the same method, I have that as 4 times 5, so I multiply and then I add. I multiply and then whatever answer I get, I add. So what that will give me is 4 times 5 plus my numerator, that's 2, divided by, I'm dividing by 5, that's my denominator, minus, for the second term, I have 1 times 3 plus 2 at the top divided by 3. That will be 20. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2, 22 over 5, minus, I have 1 times 3, that's 3, 3 plus 2, 5 over 3. Using the LCD method, or the lowest common denominator, the lowest common denominator for 5 and 3, that's 15. Note that I need to make the denominators the same in order to add. So what I will have is, to make my denominator 15, I'm multiplying my left hand side by 3. Whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. And on my right hand side, I'm going to multiply by 5. And what I will have is 22 times 3, 66 over 15 minus 5 times 5, 25 over 15. And because now the denominators are the same, putting them under the same denominator, which is 15, I have 66 minus 25. That will be 41. And if I change that into a mixed number, I have two groups of 15 with a remainder of 11 out of 15. Let's look at the next two examples. In my last two examples, I'm going to show you how to multiply and divide a mixed number. For C, I have 2 3 over 4 times 1 1 over 3. Like I did earlier, the first step is to change into an improper fraction. So I have the whole number times my denominator, that's 4, plus my numerator, 3, divided by 4, times, I have 1 times 3 going counterclockwise, plus 1 over my denominator, 3. What I have is 2 times 4, 8, 8 plus 3. I have that as 11 over 4 times 1 times 3, that's 3, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. I have two methods of solving this. The first method is I can either multiply all my numerator and all my denominator. That's 11 times 4 over 4 times 3. And what that will give me is 44 over 12. And if I simplify that, 44 over 12 will give me 3 whole number with a remainder of 8 over 12. If I simplify my 8 over 12 by dividing by 4, my final answer will be 3 whole number, 2 out of 3. The second method is what I call cross simplification. So I'm going to start from this box. So what I have is I had 11 over 4 times 4 over 3. In order to avoid multiplying big numbers, what I can do is to cross simplify. I have 4 divided by 4. That will be 1. And my final answer, I'm left with 11. That's 1, 1. 11 times 1. 11 divided by 1 times 3. 3. And if I change back into mixed number, I have that as 3 whole number, 2 over 3. For the last part of my question, I have 5 1 over 2 divided by 1 3 over 8. Changing that into improper fraction, I have 5 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 1 times 8 plus 3 divided by 8. If I simplify, 5 times 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11 over 2 divided by 1 times 8 is 8, 8 plus 3, that will give me 11 over 8. If you are dividing fraction, there are 2 steps to take, and the 2 steps affect the sign and the right hand side. So what I have is my left hand side, or my left hand term, which is 11 over 2, remains the same. Then I flip my division into multiplication. It changes. And then I flip my right hand side. My numerator now becomes the denominator and vice versa. So I have that as 8 over 11. Using cross simplification, because I feel that's easier, I have 11 divided by 11. That's 1. So what I have left is 1 times 8, which is 8 over 2 times 1, 2. And my final answer will be 8 divided by 2, which is 4. The other option will have been, from here, I have 11 times 8, that's 88 over 2 times 11, 44. And 88 divided by 44 is still 2. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Thanks for watching. Bye.